Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add your Google reviews in your Wix website. So right now I will show you the exact way to add all of your Google reviews in your Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and then we have to install a app. So in this left hand menu, just click on add apps. And then you will jump into Wix App Market. Here, click on the search apps box and search here Google reviews and search for Google Reviews Pro. And here, search for this app Google Reviews Pro. All you have to need, go ahead and add this Google Reviews Pro app in your Wix website, and this is a free app. You don't need to purchase a premium subscription to use it. So all you have to need, just install and add this app into your Wix website. Once added, you will directly jump into Google Reviews app dashboard. Here, first of all, click on open widget page. And here you have to enable set widget visibility on your site. So enable this option, and now visibility options, you can select display on home page. If you select this option, then all of your Google reviews will be visible in only home page. And to visible your Google reviews to your entire Wix website, here you have to select display on all pages. And now we have to connect our Google page. So here, click on connect your Google page. And now it will ask you to log into your Google account. So log into your Google account, then click on the select business account drop down and select your business and select here your location, and then click on connect, and your Google business page will be connected with your Google reviews page. And here you'll find the list of all Google reviews. So currently I don't have any reviews in my Google account, so it's totally blank. Now go to widget section, and here widget data, filter approved reviews and customize the main behavior of the widget. You can customize your Google reviews from here. So from here you will be able to customize your Google reviews widget data, and that's it. You successfully added your Google reviews into your Wix website. And here you will see your Wix website Google reviews preview. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.